It's really good conference. It covers a wide range of people. The discussion is very lively. I was impressed that you have a lot of the NOCs, niche type of the company. So it's really integrated, good conference.
This is a very big conference, international conference, and then we know what exactly they want from us. At the same time, we deliver what we expect from them.
And it's a very important assembly and an event for us to, always be there, and that's why we are also one of the main sponsors for this event.
To me, it was perfect. We think that we've met very, very nice people, very good people. Mainly people, kind of people in terms of companies we wanted to meet.